Hey guys, what's up? So I've been working with the SwellPro Spry Plus. Never mind the rubber bands with the GoPro here. Let's just grab some footy because I don't want to put no mount or nothing on here. It's just for now me tuning it. So how I got started with this was Bojack Jackson reached out to me, and he said he's been through many different pilots asking him about, you know, if they would help him out with this. No one was really interested, which I could, I guess, understand that. Everybody's into kind of the different things. Me, I'm into the modding thing. I'm into let's go outside the box and see what we can come up with. So that's what we did. So like I said, I worked with Bo. I got me a shell. I got me pretty much everything to build it, but their their F3 board, which it's more than just a flight controller, and transmitter. So I got every other thing for it, but I went ahead and put my own insides in it. Bo was, you know, saying, hey, what do you think as far as FPV? I'm like, I could see where it was going with that. So again, appreciate you, Bo. Thanks for reaching out. Like I said, glad we did a trade, got some stuff going, because I really like this thing, and I definitely plan on keeping it. And you know, SwellPro can see what we've been doing through these videos that we're going to be posting. But this is ready to go. All but FPV in it right now. I don't have FPV in it right now, but I now have it working through my cell phone, so I can tune it without taking it back apart. But anyway, let's talk more about what's in it and what I did to it. So normally they run a 2207 1600 are the motors that I have. I used IFlight Xing motors. For one, they have an M3 screw on the bottom, not a clip. So therefore, you don't never have to worry about that popping off on you. I used a 2207 2750 IFlight Xing motor. Like I said, the KV's kind of a bit much, but I could always tune that down to CLI, no worries there. Inside of it, under the belly of this thing, we have a Diatone Mamba F7. Imagine that. It has the Bluetooth you know, chip onto it, so we can talk to it through the cell phone, through the SpeedyBee app. I'm running a Maytech PDB 5S, the hub OSD one. We're running RDQ 4S ESC's dshot. What else we got in there so far? That's about it so far that we're running on the inside. I got everything laid out. I do have some video of what I do have inside, that way you can see more of it. I am waiting on arm screws again to put it in water. I cannot put this in water until I get the OG screws that go for this. So yeah, I mean, I took up the challenge because I'm like, yeah, you know me, I'm always willing to do a challenge and take something outside the box, and I feel like that's what we did with this. Like, they fly great. SwellPro did a great job, don't get me wrong, but it's always what can we do. Like I see it fly acro, it's okay, but it looks like it needs a little tuning or whatnot. See, I can full bore tune this thing, and that's what I'm doing now. Line of sight, full bore tuning it, and then I'll go with all the FPV, and then we'll get it out. And then by that time, I'm hoping to have those arm screws. I got a tracking number today on those, so I'm hoping they'll go ahead and get here, and we can get this thing fully waterproofed and get it, and you know, try it. But so that's what I'm doing so far. Why am I doing it? Well, for one, I come out with a waterproof drone out of the deal. I gave up a 5-inch quad for all the parts. I'll be honest, you guys know me. But I come out with a waterproof drone out the deal, and you know, SwellPro's a big company. They have a lot of work going on, so hey, you never know where you go out with that. Bo already does work with them, so you know, grab a tech job from them from SwellPro out of this would be cool also. But so it's just seeing what we can do with them. Bo's doing one. Guys, tune into the show for Friday, you'll see that. And yeah, more or less, I got it, you know, got the shell, went ahead and we took our ideas and put them all together more or less, and then just I went ahead and tackled one and see what we could get, and kind of, you know, Bo knows right where he's at now, what needs to be done with it. But yeah, stay tuned and see where we go with it. Like I said, when we put it in water, that's going to be the main test. That's going to where I'm going to see, was all this worth it for me, because we have a lot of water around here, the ocean and stuff like that. So that's going to be really cool to do that. And I do this just for little, like I said, don't mind the rubber bands, got a Velcro in there. I do have all the GPS stuff. It may eventually get put on, I may not. FPV pilots as myself, we don't worry about GPS and stuff like that. Give us about 6 minutes of flight, we're good. So yeah, let's go ahead and I'm gonna take this thing over in the field, we're gonna fly it. Hey guys, what's up? Got you aboard the SwellPro. This is a project that I've been working on. As you know, as you saw in the video before watching this, but this is the flight of it. So let's go ahead and see where we're at with it. I believe it's a lot more dialed in, but if not, like I said, now I can tune it through my cell phone through an app. So you can't ask for no more than that, because this thing has 18 screws to take it apart. So yeah, let's go ahead and see how it does. I can put my lip on them motors. I can already tell you that we're just about where we need to be. give it the lip test. Them motors are on point now. Now I hear a little bit of the jingle. I'm sorry for the transmitter won't shut up. Now you can hear a little bit of the jingle, but that's going to be these props, that sound you're hearing. I run them on my 5-inch and I have the same sound. So yeah, let's go ahead and get inside. Let's see what kind of heat we have built up in the battery. Okay. Go ahead and unplug it. Get that battery out of there. It doesn't seem to be a lot of heat, excessive heat built up, and that was on the GoPro. Can't see this on the screen. That was at least 5 to 6 minutes, I would guess. So, but I do see a little bit of fog built up on the lens. I guess because the transition of the little bit of heat that is built up in there and how chilly it is here. And you can see the wind. Look at this. So you can see the wind blowing here today. So I'm real impressed with where I went with this. I had a few bumps in the road. I got through them. I say a few, quite a bit. But for doing something like this, you cannot expect to just take quad parts like we use, throw in this, and expect them to be happy, because they're not going to be. They're all fully enclosed, so therefore no air is in there at all. Like our quads, they get plenty of air, so they definitely run at optimal, range. Versus this guy, like I said, all full. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know what you think. Stay tuned to the channel. Tune into the Drone Network this Friday. Bo was talking last night to me on the phone about giving away one of these shells. So yeah, let's see where that goes. Huh? You might end up with one of them, and you might be able to do this and have yourself a waterproof drone. And I'll help you out with it too if you need it. So let me know. Tune in. You guys win. You'll need some help, and we'll get you going. Until next time, please like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so guys, it went well. Motors, as you can see in the video, did not get hot at all. Now I did check my battery voltage when I got back over here. I did take off what, a 15.9 pack. That's all it had in it. It wasn't 16.5, it was 15.9. So I just got back over here and checked it. It was 14.8. So we could have flew this a lot longer. So let's go ahead and review the footy and see what kind of times we got, and then we know from there we can calculate and know what kind of time that we ran and see if we can do better next time. Thank you guys for watching. MD95 DSI signing out.